In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand Google Ads attribution to maximize conversions. Attribution is the framework Google uses to assign credit to the ads, clicks, and interactions that lead to a conversion, whether that's a purchase, a sign-up, or a lead. It matters because most customers don't convert after a single interaction. They might first discover you in one campaign, return through another, and finally convert on a third. If you only look at the last click, you risk undervaluing the touchpoints that warmed them up along the way. Let's get you to the right place in the platform. Go to your Google Ads account. Click Goals, then click Measurement. Finally, click Attribution. This is where you can review your current attribution model and explore alternatives to see how credit shifts across your campaigns and keywords. Inside Attribution, you'll see model options that distribute credit differently. Last click gives all the credit to the final interaction, making it simple but often unfair to upper funnel ads. First click does the opposite, highlighting discoverability but ignoring the final push. Linear spreads credit evenly across all touchpoints, good for understanding broad collaboration. Time decay gives more weight to clicks that happen closer to the conversion, which helps highlight the ads that move people toward the finish line. Position-based emphasizes the first and last interactions while still acknowledging the middle steps. Data-driven uses your account's actual patterns to assign credit based on what historically leads to conversions. Here's how to use these views. Compare how your campaigns perform under different models. If a prospecting or mid-funnel campaign looks weak under last click, but stronger under time decay, position-based, or data-driven, that's a sign it's assisting conversions even if it doesn't close them. Those insights help you preserve budgets for ads that build interest and refine messaging for the ones that seal the deal. Conversely, if a campaign only looks strong under last click and drops off elsewhere, it may be more of a closer than a creator of demand. A few practical tips as you review. Give your data time to accumulate so the patterns are reliable. Keep your conversion actions and windows consistent while you evaluate, so you're comparing like with like. Revisit attribution regularly, especially after major campaign changes or seasonal shifts, to confirm the model still reflects your customer journey. Mastering attribution helps you see the full path to conversion, make smarter budget and bidding decisions, and ultimately maximize conversions without wasting spend on the wrong areas.